Hi everyone. Are you struggling with depression? Many people have depression and they don't understand what's really happening. I believe if you understand what's really happening with your mind, that you'll be able to gain more control. And it's not a miracle cure, but if you can learn how to clean up your brain with the lymphatic system over a few weeks and months, you can get your life back. It's real science. In your brain, there are structures called the amygdala, which has to do with emotional processing, the hippocampus, which is really about memory and your mood, and then your prefrontal cortex. This has to do with your memory and social interaction. So when we want to help depression, we really have to create circulation in our brain to improve detoxification. It really has to do with whether your lymphatic system, a tiny network of vessels and nodes, can actually clean and improve waste removal out of your brain. Unfortunately, many of us, our lymph system is not flowing. Tuesday night, the 24th at 7 p.m. Eastern, we're having a lymphatic system health live all about depression. I'm going to talk about diet, supplements, how to open up the major lymph vessels in your neck to help detoxification in your brain. It's really going to be life-changing for you because most people think their depression is a mystery. They have no control, but you can have direct control. Now, besides joining us on our Lymphatic System Health Live, I want you to try the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle. If we can open up these vessels right here in your neck, then we can improve detoxification in your brain. All the lymph fluid in your head and in your body has to flow into one little vessel on the sides of your neck. And when we become tight in our shoulders, when we've had a lot of injuries or we've just been ill for a long time, these can get overwhelmed. Your lymphatic system could just not flow as well. Then we back up with cellular waste. We want to do the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle. Stand straight and put one shoulder up, the other shoulder up, one shoulder up, and the other shoulder up. And we do that 20 or 30 times, 2 or 3 times a day. And over a few weeks and months, you will feel a difference. And if you're on Instagram, go to a few times a week. I get on to remind you to do the LymphMan Shoulder Shuffle and talk about new science that you can use to improve your health. It's really about creating flow. Let's take a few deep breaths. Deep breathing directly pulls lymph flow through your body to improve detoxification. We take a deep breath in and blow it out. A deep breath in. And you should do that about 10 times, do it numerous times a day. And you'll be creating detoxification. You'll also be bringing oxygen and nutrition into your cells. And understand that most diseases are about your cells not being able to function correctly. They become acidic and inflamed. Look at your diet. We need to eat a greener diet. You need to take more deep breaths. You need to do more exercise. Exercise, when we move our heart, we help detoxification in our body. Simple things that you can do every day. That's what we're going to talk about Tuesday night, the 24th, 7 p.m. If you have any questions, you can put them into the comments and I will answer them. I know that depression can be controlled if you understand the right science. It's about inflammation and toxicity, limiting lymph flow, and your amygdala, your hippocampus, and prefrontal cortex, they can't communicate correctly. That's because of waste building between your neurons, and you can gain direct control over that waste by understanding the lymphatic system. It's not really mentioned in medicine until you get cancer or until you have swelling in your body from cancer surgery. If you want to take back control over your health and over your mind, you need to join us Tuesday the 24th at 7 p.m. I know it'll make a great difference in how you control and manage your depression so that you can get your life back. Hopefully we'll see you there. Have a great day.